Welcome to Altcoin Daily with Bitcoin Gorilla, where I use simple price action to break down different altcoin prices, telling you what price is likely going to do next. Remember, I do not use indicator and I draw my chart from scratch. So if you're a beginner, trust me, you're going to get both fundamental analysis and technical analysis all in this video. By this end of this video, you will know what is internet computer, if it's a good investment for 2022, and if you are already in the trade or you already have internet computer token, should you still be holding, because price has done nothing but dump. Now this is more like an update to my last analysis. Since my last analysis, price is still in one position moving sideways. Remember, I told you to be patient, that you're going to need a lot of patience with ICP. So I remember Bitcoin Gorilla. If by the end of this video you like my strategy, because I'll be drawing the chart with you, click the like button, give me a thumbs up to motivate me to make more video, and subscribe. Click the notification bell to get notified when I post. So internet computer, what is internet computer? Currently, internet computer is trading as $23.10. But before I start this fundamental analysis, can I introduce you to my Bitcoin Futures Trading Academy, where you are going to join my family of traders and trade with me for a lifetime. Now, once you come into Machiavelli Trader, I give you 3 months intensive training on Zoom. After the training, you're going to learn how to draw chart, read chart, understand price action, understand how to create your own signals, how to trade it. Now, after learning, the purpose is to get you ready to trade with the family. The goal is you're going to trade with me live and you're going to earn. Even while you are learning, you're already going to be trading. We don't use demo account, we use live account, and you're going to see all my trade. I share all my entries and my exit and everything with you, but we don't give signals. The goal is to train you to become your own boss, your own signal, your own everything without depending on no one. So Machiavelli Traders is where you want to be if you want to increase your technical analysis and trading what style, and have a family that you can trade daily without worrying or getting FOMO. Now I have three types of membership: spot membership, I have futures membership, and staking membership. Now, mind you, access is currently closed in this December. Access is only opening to Machiavelli traders 3 times a year: January, May, and October. So even if I click get started, is going to bring me to a page telling me that access is currently closed. When is asset going to open? January 3rd. Don't miss it. This is why, if you want to stay updated, you want to join our free channel where we leave updates, you're going to know when admission open. Admission open 3rd January and closes 27 January. You're going to get access to trading books, you're going to get access to student dashboard. Each class has videos, and you have access to retake anytime. You can retake all the classes. So this is a wonderful community that trade with me, and that is where you're going to see the strategy I use in all my analysis. That's why I teach it. It has rules, it has a lot of laws that comes with this strategy. So let's jump into internet computer. So the first thing is to understand what is internet computer. Now, the internet computer is the world first blockchain that runs at web speed with unbounded capacity. It also represents the third major blockchain innovation alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is big. A blockchain computer that scales smart contract computation and data, runs them at web speed, processes and stores data efficiently, and provide powerful software framework to what developer to developers. By making this possible, the internet computer enables the complete reimagination of software, providing a revolutionary new way to build tokenized internet service, pan-industry platform, decentralized finance system, and even traditional enterprise system and websites. Now, this is really, really big in terms of computing, right? The purpose of internet computer is to extend the public internet, so it can also be the world's compute platform. Today, the internet is a network that connects everybody and everything, but systems and services currently run from private infrastructures. The scientific breakdown behind the internet computer is chain key technology, which comprises dozens of advanced technologies such as novel blah 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 blah. Now, this whole story is too much. Let's just visit the website and see what their whole website looks like. So this is the website. Now, the first thing is the welcome. The whole website looks quite like a computer world. Like, okay, this is quite interesting. A lot of things seems to be happening. Internet computer ecosystem, and you can see quite an open source. The internet computer is an open source, and you can see their ecosystem. They really have a lot of companies that are already in, which is a good thing. So this looks like a very promising project and has a future, especially with the way internet is coming, with the Web3 coming and all of that. This is quite very interesting, right? So how does it work? Explore open source innovation for developers. Okay. Then you start building on the internet computer. Okay. Okay. This is quite the speed is the most important thing here. So in terms that your programs will don't have speed limit anymore when you build on top of this. Now their team is phenomenal. When I look at their team, I see that this is a great, quite listed all their teams. You can see it out. Um over 200 plus members on the team. And if we go further, we see a lot of other things that, okay, with this little, the community led governance of the internet computer, currently, you have about 59%. That's the community, 59.5%. So this is the current shares of how everything is currently going on in the node provider. Okay. Okay. So, well, this is the project. This is the project. This is the project about the internet computer. And the thing is this: you can stake. You see, the thing about staking is, if you have ICP and the price is dumping, probably you bought at a higher price. I think it is time that we really need to start talking a lot about staking. People really need to learn the importance of staking, because staking enables you to aim profit on the coin even when the coin is dropping in price. Now there are situations whereby you find yourself buying the top of a coin, right? You don't want to buy the top of a coin, but you end up buying the top of a coin. You're stuck in the trade has gone down too much that you can't take the loss. Instead of just holding the coin in your wallet, go ahead and stake your coin. And according to this platform, you can see their return is almost 28.9% annually on that coin. Instead of just keeping that coin and waiting for the price to come back up, it's better to just get this extra 28% as profit. At least that's a consolation, to console you, so that by the time price returns to the top of where you bought, you are in profit of 28% extra, and you just didn't waste time just waiting. So with that being said, now that we know the fundamental analysis, let's get straight into the technical analysis. So the first thing I want to do is get the support and resistance. As usual, remember all the strategy used in my analysis are developed by me. So if you find my analysis quite interesting, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you in advance, because what does that do? It motivates me to make more video. You never know, the next analysis might be the video, the analysis altcoin in your portfolio. So subscribe and click the bell button. So the first thing I'm getting, as you can see, is my support and resistance area. These are areas of obvious rejection on the chart that I'm seeing that are in my face, obvious rejection. So now that I've gotten the whole drama that has happened, as usual, I'm going to bring my box and I'm going to contain everything that happened. Now I see that there's something currently going on, and I'm going to show you what that is. So that is my box. And because I see that price is a bit extended, I know that I need to zoom in. Let me get my support. Support? No, sorry. My resistance, not support. Resistance, that's supply area, right? So I'm going to get my support next. Well, I think I should zoom in to better see, have a better view of what is going on to be able to get the right area. So let's zoom in. Remember, don't forget, give me a thumbs up to encourage me if you like my style. So you can see, zooming in, this is the support, and I can see clearly that this price completely cleared the support. Right. Okay. It can only mean something. It can only mean something. It's, you can see the last time I made a video, I made a support. Now this is the thing about new coins. When all previous support is broken, you don't know where the next support is. But the thing about support is when they break, and you can see that the movement down is no longer as forceful as it was here or it was here. You can see now they are battling. It's like two red candle down, one red candle, one green candle up, two red candle down, one green candle up. So you see that they are battling to go down, and which means that very soon their chances are high that they are likely to come back above this support. Seriously, I keep saying this. New coins with broken, all the previous support is broken. There's no magic in technical analysis, there's no magic in anything. When such a thing happen, we really don't know where the next support is because there's no obvious previous data to work with. The only thing we can look at is the fact that price is really not going down as fast as it was going all this point and all this point. You can see this point, you can see this point, you can see this point. So you can see that when price starts struggling to go down, you can see price goes back, and including here price goes back, you can see. And here right now we are seeing that price is struggling to go down. Like I said, is just a little PS below. It's still within $20. I remember I said if it goes below $20, seriously, I don't know where I can say the next support is. But I know that between this $20 to this $25 is a range where he is going to struggle to hold up. In fact, $20 to $28 is a range they are going to struggle to hold up. And I do see them coming right back up, and I will tell you why. Let me go further to finish drawing the chart. So that was just something for you to take note of. So I think I can get yet another box. I can get yet another box. So I'm going to employ yet another box from this point. And I can see that the support and resistance area of this was, the resistance is right here. We're going to look lower time frame and see what this chart will look like after we're done drawing it. And the support, this is very interesting. I need to zoom in to see what I'm working with. Okay, the support area is here. All right, this is the support area. We gotta get this right. This is the support area all the way to this point. Now, this is the support area of this new box that I just drew. Now, the thing about this new box is the support is very slim, like as a slim support. So it's because of the data that we have is very limited, and this is daily chart. So let's go to 4 hours to see what our chart now looks like. Now, one thing you must know is that every broken support becomes a resistance. Every broken support becomes a resistance. And this is why we see this coin really struggling very hard, because once it breaks a support, like once it breaks this support, you can see it You can see once it breaks this support, it dives into the support, and you can see it just keeps making lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Let's zoom in so that you see what I'm saying. So we see that price currently is making lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low. But we have an exhaustion bar right here. This is our exhaustion bar. We have an exhaustion bar right here. And since the exhaustion bar, we had this, you can see the lower lows, the lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, they are not longer moving as fast as they were moving when they arrive in the support. Yes, they have broken below the support, and their struggle now is to return above the support, because this is where the support, the last low was. This is where the last low. So they've broken up below it. So I want to assume that this is a stop loss horn. Is an assumption that this is a stop loss horn. It only means that there are two things I will advise you to do with your ICP. If you are already in trade and you have a lot of coin and you're worried about the way the coin is acting, first of all, go and stake your coin and be receiving reward. Right? That's the first thing first. The second thing, go and read about and learn more. Watch more videos on YouTube about staking. If you want to know more, you can come to Machiavelli Traders. Access will be open on the word 3rd of January for you to come and start learning about all these things and how to actually benefit from staking, especially when the crypto market is dumping, especially if you're going into crypto for long-term investment. If you intend buying for any coin for more than 6 months, please go and learn staking. It's going to give you more profit. Think about it. You're going into crypto, you intend going for 3 years, 4 years, you bought all this coin, you keep buying small, small. Go and learn staking. As you're buying, you're staking it, right? So as you're staking each year, you're having how many? Some coin return over 200% in staking reward. Depend on the coin. So make sure you research about each coin before you go into it. But this particular coin, as I'm talking to you, is going to get a bounce. The reason is, remember, the more a coin, the law of supply and demand, that is what moves price moves as a result of supply and demand, and the law of supply and demand states that as price goes down, supply decreases and demand increases. And this point is a point of demand. That's why you see price struggling to go down, because as it pushes down, other will pick it up, all the others keep exhausting. It is likely going to struggle. Yes, there will be some struggle. I remember I told you guys there will be some struggle, but I see this coin pulling back up. So let's look at the coin, the candles themselves. So instead of talking too much, let's just look at the candles. The candles like this, if we look at the weekly candles and see if the candles can help us make, see if we have a reason to think about positivity just based on the candles, because right now there's no bullish sign. There is no bullish sign. But I do see a bounce. Have it at the back of your mind that this is what I see. It is up to you what to do with it. This is no financial advice. This is just my opinion. This is what I see. I see this break as a stop loss point, which is going to come back here. And when it comes, it's going to struggle to stay here, giving us inverse head and shoulder, which will be S, H, S. So we could have a move like this that goes like this before price try to go back up, which is inverse head and shoulder. So breaking this support, this current weekly candle is left 5 days to go. If it can pull up and then we have price return above this yellow area around this point. So we want price to at least first of all pull back into the support at least above $24 to $25. That way price will move back up, but I do see a bounce. Go and stake your coin if you are stuck in this market, because this is going to need a lot of patience. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you find my analysis quite impressive. Happy trading.